cut that out. Hey, this is Rich, Senior Tech at Motorsports International. Today's Kawasaki Day. We're going to talk about H2 SE specifically. Current owners and future owners want you to know that it has ARAS system, which is adaptive cruise control, ACC, forward collision warning, FCW, and blind spot detection, BSD. So there's potential issue that I want you to know about, and it's this. You looking at this screen right here? This screen right here? Okay. This area right here and this area right here is a common area where owners modify their bike. For example, they'll put fender eliminator, integrated tail light and stop lamp, flush mounts, LED strips. Same thing for the front. They'll use HID lamps, colored lamps, LED strips, flush mounts. All those things require some partial disassembly of that. That's the problem. Your machine uses front-facing radar and rear-facing radar. The problem with that is you cannot touch these units. They are adjustable. They have screws on them. Do not touch them. If you touch them, or if you knock them out of position, let's say with a crash, which I hope doesn't happen, you're going to get a banner across your instrument panel that says this. Warning sign, ACC, which is adaptive cruise control error. That means that your radar, one or both, are out of alignment. That's a big problem because to put it back in alignment, you need an alignment system, which consists of a laser, a special mirror, several reflective whiteboards, a special stand for the front with micro adjustments. In other words, it's a big job. And that system, actually, the dealers do not have that. We need to borrow it from Kawasaki. So if you avoid this and that when you're modifying your bike, you're going to save yourself a lot of headaches. So that's what I wanted to tell you, just for your information. That's it for me.